Hi guys, welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to prepare this amazing gungo rice and peas. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's CallieKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Callie J's Kitchen. So this is the pot that I'm going to prepare my gungo rice and peas in. I went ahead already, just put it on the stove and turn on my stove. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some water to this. I will also go ahead and add some garlic cloves, and I went ahead and just rinse off my gungo peas at least twice just to remove anything that I don't want on it. And then I'm going to go ahead and add it to this and allow it to boil for roughly about half an hour. You can always go ahead and check your local supermarket or grocery shop, and of course you will get gungo peas there. You can even check the aisle where there is tin food and you will see gungo in the tin, or you can just check your local farmers market and you will get gungo peas there as well. So after half an hour, my gungo is all cooked. You can go ahead and just take up a small amount in a spoon and you can just crush on it. And if it crush easily, that's an indication that your gungo is all ready. And mine is all ready. So we're just going to go ahead and season this. So I'm going to add some butter to this. If you guys don't have butter at home, you can always go ahead and add some olive oil or a small amount of vegetable oil. I will go in and add some of my French thyme. I will also add some scallion. Of course, we're going to add our Scotch bonnet pepper and of course our pimento berries. I will also go in and add some salt, and I will also add my coconut milk powder. Now, if you don't have the authentic coconut milk at home, you can always go ahead and use the coconut milk. You want to allow this to come to a boil before you add the rice. So I'm going to give this roughly about another 2 or 3 minutes before I add the rice. Now I'm going to use white rice today, but if you guys have brown rice, you can always go ahead and add brown rice. Now this should take you roughly about 15 minutes to cook. Really easy, really simple, and it was delicious. So once it comes to a boil and boil nicely, I will go in and add my rice. Once you add the rice, please ensure that you turn on your stove on medium heat. Once most of the water starts to boil out from your rice, you're going to turn it down on low heat and allow it to steam. All right, that way your rice will steam nicely and it will be shelly. So in a few minutes, I will come back and show you guys the final product of this amazing gungo rice and peas once it's finished cooking nicely. So remember to always combine everything together once you add your rice, because you don't want the gungo to settle on top. And there you have it, my amazing gungo rice and peas. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think. Remember to subscribe to my channel and remember to turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. See you guys tomorrow for another awesome recipe. We are on our way to 8K subscribers. Remember to share and remember to tell your friends and your family members about Callie J's Kitchen. Thank you again for watching. Bye.